Mama got me up and out on my off day. Started my mom's lots today. She's on her way to the shop, but she's not here yet. So crush this real quick. I had an apple on my way in, and then I bought these potatoes and also their oatmeal bar. Doesn't look bad. Neither one of them have protein, which is what I really need, but it's okay. But yeah, for her size, we're gonna do like a medium Microloc, not too small because I know she's not gonna want to sit and get it done every time, and I'm not gonna feel like doing it for free. You know, I love my mom, but she'll get it. She'll get it. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a medium size, the 2-strand twist with the interlocking at the root as normal. I thought it would be cool to just give my mom C-shaped parting because I've done that on Microlocs and it's been okay. But my sister is just like, no, do the grid. The beauty is in the grid. And I don't believe the beauty is only in the grid, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? We could do it. We could do it because they'll be bigger. I'm hoping this takes me around 6 hours. No more than that because I do have therapy at 4 and I want to sleep later. So
Empty on
Monday.
Mondays.
Hi. Oh, you just woke up?
And is willing to testify.
Hi. You got your hair done.
You said you picked up some.
NBA now.
I take him to the I mean, take him to the
Hey, Pooh. You walk the dog.
walk
Ooh.
them to sleep.
Did you see any cats? You saw a cat too?
We have resources.
How many cats you do?
for you.
One cat,
With counseling.
two cats, right?
One cat and then 2 cats. So I just had that too, that's why I was, you see how it's curly?
Yeah, of course.
I'm gonna put some mousse on it. And this spray that this people sent me.
My edges don't look bad.
This is just like a leave-in conditioning spray type of thing.
Probably Rick James in the front.
Right.
It's getting dirty, girl.
Oh, man.
And then with curly, I'm jealous. I'm just sitting on my couch combing my ends out trying to get curly.
That's what they asked you. What are you doing?
Getting curly ends. Trying to get curls.
So what kind of maintenance? Like
Spray like that. You got one of these spray type
oils?
yeah, oil on your scalp.
Like what kind of spray is that?
It's like a leave-in conditioner. Like a lot of companies have one of those. Some people make their own. Use rose water.
With that M word.
Mia.
Yeah.
Yep. It's just like a little spray. You can use that. Like if the ends start looking dry and stuff like that, you want it to like curl more. You can just spray it with that and put like mousse on it. That's why I'm putting mousse at the end.
Not really working in the scalp.
Right. Don't put the mousse on your scalp.
Oh, don't put the mousse on your
You shouldn't when it's looking a little dull.
Your empathy has no bounds, Liv.
You know, we like
I
that.
see the terrified girl in her.
Oil and shea butter. And they're gonna be asking how much did she charge you?
I'm her daughter.
You gonna
What is
I mean,
people gonna ask all the time. Who did your hair? How much did you pay?
Yes, they are.
Yeah, this is something I never thought I would
When I told Trina I was getting them, she was
You're
like,
scared.
I was looking into that.
Yes, you are.
$1,100.
You're scared to the answer to your little question. What
Come on,
became
sister,
of her? And what did she say?
Come on, Michael.
What if she's a jerk?